created to live according to the will of God. Now we have to understand what is the will of God and what God wants us from us. So, as a creator and as the creation, we have certain things what do's and don'ts of our life. What God wants, what the will of God. It's a very simple thing. He says that we must be aware and we have to maintain our holiness. Maintain our holiness is, as we come across into the church, we see that holy, holy, holy. God is holy. He expects us to be holy. How are we? How are we? Have we ever checked our life?